administrator. So, La Petrolifera Italo-Albanese belongs to PR Group, which is stationed in Porto Corsini, Ravenna, and has different branches in Genoa. It also has bought very huge terminals in Sweden and Denmark, being an international company. There's a branch also in Tunisia and Albania, which we are Petrolifera Italo-Albanese, which represent the most automated terminal in the Mediterranean in the matter of security, in the matter of environment protection, etc. So we are part of Italy because the philosophy of the running the company is based that is built by Italian projectors and companies, and those companies are taking care for maintenance and for automation. So who built a certain part of the terminal is providing maintenance. So Petrolifera has also a very nice residential area where are hosted technicians and engineers coming from Italy and working together. So being as a captain in this area, I have a large experience in the maritime cooperation between Italy since the early years, 90s, when Adriatic Sea was a criminalized, let's say, area, but now we have a different scenery and it should be better again. And my suggestion should be to improve our cooperation in the matter of environment protection, because we're hosting large tankers. So Petrolifera, the best year has 1.5 million exporting and importing oil, and exporting crude oil. But now we are around 500,000 tons per year. So we're doing large, let's say, transportation of crude oil. And it's also useful to mention that the Pia terminal is the only terminal in Albania which is connected with railway. So we have crude oil coming from here, let's say, oil field by trains, and we transport it by oil tanks. So in this regard, my suggestion would be to increase cooperation between Albania and Italy in matter of environment protection and inspection, because as was mentioned earlier, so we are doing large volumes of transport, but the main point is the personal, human resources. So which, to my perspective, we should focus more in order to improve security and safety on ships. On the other side, there is a huge cooperation between Valona and Albania in yachting. So Marina Auricum was the first, which I've been part in the many regatta, which I'm doing every year. And in this regard, also improving DTMS would be an important role in avoiding maritime accidents and securing liner routes. Thank you very much.